Betty, do you like tobogganing? Yeah. You like going down the hill with Daddy?
Yeah.
You want to go again?
No.
You all done?
You want to put on your skis?
Betty.
She looks like a little Pooh Bear. Can you just want to slide down on your bum?
No.
Is your boot off? Here, let's fix your boot.